This is the new SuperShiny, in which it is possible to load files directly from the store age server, which is a little bit different to the way that we usually do things, and which is really aimed to avoid clicking a lot. So let's see what happens. So we start as usual our app here, and it looks a bit different here. So here, if you want to load from the server directly, you click this, and then you get the choice of all the groups. And the way it's set up is that it doesn't, in the beginning, know how many projects are in each group and so on. It will do it while only when requested. Yeah. So in this case, for example, we go to Wikström, because here I've set up a test project. And so here we'd have a bunch of researchers. We could, for example, also go to Kira. Kira has also some projects, but we'll stick to Christine. And you see that the question marks have updated now from Kira. So in here is then the project. The project we're going to use is this test project, which is a copy of this project just to be safe. Yeah, so in here, it turns out that there's a single file. For example, in here, there's also a single file. Is that right? Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's already the result file. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to select this. So in principle in here it says how many researchers there are, how many projects there are, in which project, how many Excel files there are. And they've got to be in the right directory structure, which I will explain at some point in more detail. Then you press upload, and then it will upload from the server, which can be slow on my VPN, but I've done it in a way that it's done chunk-wise. Okay, and if this has worked, then essentially we are where we were before. So we've loaded from here the group metabolomics, which is how the store age is mounted on my computer. Okay, then we can do the usual thing. I'm just going to create some stuff, quickly processing in output. Now in here we enter some kind of file root, for example, my result. And then we say download result. And then something will appear up here saying that it's actually worked. And here we do the same. Scroll back to the top, and it will also tell us here the PDF has also been downloaded. And this will then have created the files in the volumes, blah, 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 in the directory essentially that you selected in the beginning. And that is the great innovation of this new Shiny.